Hey everyone, Billy here! On this video, I'm gonna go to the log cabin because I miss my log cabin. And several weeks ago, there was a big storm, so I'm just gonna check it out if everything's fine over there. Hey, everything's fine! Hello mice! I'm here! Timber! Woo! Oh man, it's great. Today is very special because it's the silence. Sometimes, there is a lot of wind, but today no wind at all. Beautiful, beautiful sun. And tomorrow it's supposed to snow crazy, so that's why I choose my day. I would like to thank you so much for your comments on the last video. It's a good way, to talk with you. I feel closer to you this way when I'm asking you your advice. So thanks a lot. I will think about it. I'm still thinking about it. We'll see. I very appreciate that you're still there, after so much time. Sometimes, some of you have been watching my video for years. And I know you. I know. So thanks. It's very appreciated. Thanks for your support. I don't know if I will be still on YouTube because after, 9 years, sometimes, you know, it's not that easy, but sometimes, you know, your priority change. So it's now, you know, part of the job. Thanks to you to be there and to follow me, you know, after all these years. Yeah, the log cabin, it's not like the moose camp. There is two different kind of cabin. Yeah, but I love it. I love it here. So maybe I'm gonna fix it. This log cabin, maybe I'm gonna fix it. And this video was brought to you by Princess Soto and everything you need for the great outdoors. Check the link down below. And thanks a lot for your support, everyone, as always. And see you very soon for another video in the woods. Live your passion, live the adventure. See you very soon.